The ultimate ride into the heart-pounding world of mechanical monsters. From rookie mistakes to pro-level domination, we bring you the raw, untamed power of the toughest machines on the planet. Get ready for dangerous drops, insane recoveries, and gear-grinding showdowns. This isn't just heavy machinery. It's chaos, control, and crushing steel all rolled into one. Buckle up. It's time to unleash the beasts. A high-risk situation broke out when a massive tree gave way too soon, splitting down the middle and crashing down violently before workers could guide it. Even the safety hole meant to help was useless. Fortunately, no one got hurt. Now, it's time to put serious horsepower to the test. Koga and Vincent Couture are pushing trucks and machines to their limits in a no-holds-barred battle of strength and skill. Engines roar louder than a boiling kettle as these beasts go head-to-head. Up next, a genius display of simple mechanics. Using just an 18-horsepower tractor and a smart rigging setup, stubborn stumps are pulled from the ground with jaw-dropping ease. It almost looks like magic. Ever pass a logging truck and get that uneasy feeling? One snapped beam, and disaster could strike. But those cranes, they toss tree trunks like toothpicks, precision and raw power in perfect sync. Accidents do happen, though. One powerful Desi hole tractor crosses a river with a heavy load. Proving its strength and control. Watch it glide across like butter. And then, boom! Mulching machines tear full trees into sawdust in seconds. It's fast, clean, and incredibly satisfying to watch. The TT4 is a monster in the snow and under pressure. It doesn't slow down, it powers through with ease. And the quirky-looking Desi 3-wheel cane loader? It might look unusual, but it's agile, stable, and can handle heavy jobs with precision. Don't underestimate a fallen tree. These things are deadly, and the drivers who handle them every day have nerves of steel. It's hard, risky work, and they do it with skill and courage. Today, we meet a centuries-old bur oak, standing tall like a guardian of time. No fancy equipment. Just old-school grit. And when it finally falls, it's history hitting the ground. Let's talk about New Zealand alder, premium timber. The logging team here is a blend of tradition and precision, showing deep respect for their craft and the trees. Now for something modern, the Pato PTH 14,000 all-road. With a 700 horsepower Volvo engine and the ability to chew through 800mm logs while producing mountains of wood chips, this machine is a true engineering marvel. Its rotating cabin and high-precision crane scream high-tech control and efficiency. And the OSA 270 Helum? That's 12 tons of lifting power with perfect terrain control, made to master the wild. Take the sawmill from the old days. No compromises, just raw strength. These machines were built to last. And they're still getting the job done today. They remind us of a time when skill and durability mattered most. Now for the Dipperfox SC850 Pro, a stump grinder that turns massive roots into dust in seconds. It's brutal, efficient, and surprisingly calming to watch.